Hello, my name is Irina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive daily alerts on important changes on your client's accounts. This is the newest feature in IRS transcript delivery and reporting add-on. What is the purpose of it? When you sign up a client and file a power of attorney, you check the box to receive all new communications from the IRS. And you all know that communications from the IRS come in the mail only. But now you can get an alert about upcoming change on your client's account even weeks before you get the IRS notice in the mail. What kinds of alerts you can get? For example, review of unreported income, in other words, upcoming audit, final notice of intent to levy, rejected OIC, federal tax lien filing, accepted offer in compromise, bankruptcy notification, write-off balance due, tax return filed, currently non-collectible case, tax court petitions, and many, many others. Actually, everything that affects your client's account status. And the good news is that this powerful alerts feature comes included with IRS transcript delivery and reporting. In other words, you don't have to pay anything extra. And even better news is that this feature is only offered by Pitbull Tax software. So now let me explain how it works. In order to schedule a future alert, you need to open Request Transcripts page. In the left menu bar, click on IRS Transcript Delivery, and this will be the first page that opens up. The same way you add a request to get your transcripts, select your client from the list. And in this case, I have my client Sparky Watts selected. Then under Quick Select, I want to enter all years that I have power of attorney for him. And let's say I would enter 2005 through 2015. Then I need to check account transcript. If you handle separate assessment case or civil penalties case, you would check separate assessment or civil penalties. And for civil penalties, enter quarterly periods instead. And then we just click Add Request. Our request has been added, and now we scroll to the bottom where we see this request. And on the left-hand side, you notice a new button, Schedule Future Alerts. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see a prompt that this option enables alerts on important future changes on your client's tax account. And it is recommended to keep your computer and Pitbull Tax connector on overnight, because we check the account transcripts overnight to send you notifications about important changes. That's why it is recommended to keep it on. However, if you don't have a habit to keep your computer powered overnight, as soon as you come in the morning and you have alerts scheduled, this request will run and you will get notifications then. So, scheduled future alerts can be daily, weekly, or monthly. If it is an ongoing case, I would recommend you to do daily alerts. And if, for example, you already close the case and you just want to keep in touch and see what's going on the account transcript, you can run either weekly or monthly alerts. So in this case, I will select daily. And I will get to a different page, Scheduled Future Alerts. So we'll see that our alert is active, the interval is daily, and the start date is January 2nd, 2016. That means that all events in the account transcripts after January 2nd will be on schedule. and you will get notifications. You can easily edit this alert and change the status of it. Let's say you close a case and you don't want to receive any more alerts. You can stop it, or you can change the interval to weekly or monthly. If, for example, you want to add new years, you do another request, or if you want to keep all the same, you can just delete this request and add a new one that includes all years. But it doesn't matter if you will have several separate periods for a client. So now at this point, you did schedule an alert and you don't have to do anything else but wait. So as soon as there is a change on your client's account, you will receive two notifications. One of them will be through email and another one in the software account. So this is an email notification that I received recently for my client. There is a change on your client's account, 2012 transcript alert for my client name, tax return filed. We're attempting to do an offering compromise for this client, but she didn't file a tax return for 2012, so we did it for her. And we were waiting for the tax return to process in order to file offering compromise. So now that I have it, I can easily proceed with OIC filing. And for convenience, we include a link to view the transcript that prompted this change, so that you don't have to pull it manually. You just click on the view transcript link here, or you want to go on your software account and click on view transcript. So that transcript that has a change on the account will be automatically pulled. You don't have to do a separate request for it. So another tab on this scheduled alerts page is view alerts. So this is where you view the actual alert. You see that I received the alert on December 29th, 2015. And the event date on this transcript was January 18th, 2016. Do you notice a gap between two dates? It's about 3 weeks. That means I received an alert 3 weeks in advance, and I know that my tax return was filed and I can proceed with OIC filing earlier than what I would actually do if I just waited for notice in the mail, or if I would check transcript every single day, which is waste of a lot of time. So this feature allows you to make more money in less time. So these flags will be shown also as icons on your client's list as exclamation points in yellow circle. If you hover your mouse over, you will see transcript alert, click to view. And once you click on it, you'll get to the alerts page. To clear the icon, just click once on the red flag and it will turn into a green check mark. So you see you get alerts way in advance of the notices that you receive in the mail. That allows you to stay on top of the game and spend less time working. Another application of this feature is to get new engagements. How? For example, you have completed an installment agreement for a client, and all forms are signed. The IRS accepted your installment agreement. The client started to pay everything, but in 6 or 7 months, the client defaults. And how do you know about it? By getting an alert from Pitbull Tax. So as soon as you get alert that your client defaulted the installment agreement, you pick up the phone, call the client, and get new engagement letter, because they need to get a new installment agreement since they messed up with payments. And new engagement means new representation fees. So this feature also allows you to get new business. I hope you will use this feature in your daily operations. And if you have any questions about this feature, please feel free to call our customer service representatives at 877-474-8285. Thank you for watching this tutorial.